HTML elements. An HTML element is defined by a start text, some content, and an end tag. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end. Here is a note for you. Some HTML elements have no content, like the BR element. These elements are called the empty elements. Such empty elements does not have an end tag. Nested HTML elements. HTML elements can be nested. This means that elements can contain other elements. All HTML documents consist of nested HTML elements. The following example contains 4 HTML elements, which are HTML element, body element, heading element, and a paragraph element. Here is an explanation for the example. The HTML element is the root element and it defines the whole HTML document. It has a start tag and an end tag. Then inside the HTML element, there is a body element. The body element defines the document's body. It has a start tag and an end tag. Then inside the body element, there is 2 other elements, which are heading element and a paragraph element. The heading element defines a heading. It has a start tag and an end tag. The paragraph element defines a paragraph. It has a start tag and an end tag. Never skip the end tag. Some HTML elements will display correctly even you forget the end tag. However, never rely on this. Unexpected result and errors may occur if you forget the end tag. Empty HTML elements. HTML elements with no content are called empty elements. The BR tag defines a line break and is an empty element without a closing tag. HTML is not case sensitive. HTML tags are not case sensitive. The HTML standard does not require lowercase text, but W3C recommend lowercase in HTML and demands lowercase for stricter documents type like XHTML. In this tutorial, we always use lowercase tag names.